In this video, I will explain how to create a CANoe configuration. For this, you need a DVC and CANoe software installed in your PC. Software can be anything, it can be a demo or licensed version. For this demo, I am using a demo CANoe software. So, to create a CANoe configuration, um, from the scratch, the basic input you need is a can dbc so that we can utilize the messages mentioned inside the database for transmitting it cyclically. Okay, and the first step you need to do is to create a new config, and you can select one of the template available here. Since I know it is a can database, I am trying to create a CAN channel. Just select it and it will ask you to enter the configuration name. You can name it the way you want. For demo purpose, I will name it a CANoe configuration as demo. Okay, now I don't want to create a new directory. I will store that newly created configuration here in this CANoe demo folder. Okay, and once it is created, it looks like this demo.cfg in this demo path. Okay, click OK, and once it is available, then you will see something like this. Okay, this is a basic CANoe configuration where we didn't add any database for now, and the first step to do is to add a database to the specific CAN channel. In our case, I am adding to database to CAN1 and select the CAN database. I am using the database provided by Vector CANoe in demo configurations. Open it. Okay, once it is open, then you will find something like this here under databases. Okay, whatever database you added will be displayed under your CAN channel under CAN channel database category. Okay, once the database is available, to transmit that messages from whatever is available inside the database, we can create a network node. Okay, click on insert network node and go to the configuration. You will have options like options to select the network node. So inside the database, any number of nodes can be available. Okay, so in this CAN comfort database, these are the nodes available: gateway, door, RI, door, LE, dashboard, and console. Okay, and for our demo purpose, I will just use console ECU as a network node. And what it means is like whatever message is mentioned inside this node will be transmitted. To see what all messages it can transmit based on the messages defined in database. Okay, after selecting this node as network node as console, you just go to this and then click on node panel to see what all messages it will try to transmit. Okay, here you can see console 1, console 2, and nm console. So out of these three messages, whatever is marked as cyclic, they will be sent cyclically. Okay, and if there is a message which is event based, let's say only when there is a value update, then only this message will be transmitted. Okay, and now let's try running this configuration. Okay, now the configuration is started, like you can see it here. Now go to the trace window. Now you should see whatever messages are marked as cyclic should be transmitted here. Okay, so here you can see these three messages are sent. Okay, let me stop and start again to see what is happening here. You can see it here, the messages are transmitted. Okay, and I will stop now again. Save the configuration. This is how you can create a configuration from database, and you don't have to code, write some capel script to actually send this messages. Okay, so vector can I you can will have this feature where it can send the cyclic messages automatically. Okay, all you have to do is create a new configuration. Under the decide channel, go to database and add your database, then insert your network node, go to the node configuration and select the node which you wanted to simulate. Okay, once the node is selected, click OK. Okay, one more thing. So how these messages are transmitted? So once you select the network node, you will have something like a components here. These components will be automatically added based on the database. Okay, whatever is mentioned in database will be loaded here. So here in this case, to transmit the messages automatically, these DLLs are used. Okay, so using this DLLs, the messages will be automatically transmitted. Even you can control the signal values from the COM port only if the messages are transmitted via IL layer. Okay, when I say IL layer, it is mentioned here. So if the messages are transmitted via IL layer, then you can use some external programming language like Python, VB script, or some other languages to control or to change value or to read value. Okay, so it is possible only if you are doing it via network node. Okay, so if you are transmitting it via message via IG block, and if you wanted to control the signal value from external programs, then it is not possible. Okay, thank you. I will come up with another video.